I think drone cleaning is an exciting service. I'm Stig Ronander. I'm working with innovation and business development for cleaning in ISS Norway. Part of my job is to find more efficient and also more sustainable solutions. The architecture of the opera is really special and spectacular, and all kind of surface like marble and glasses and aluminium and so on made traditional methods way more time consuming than using drones. The biggest advantage with using a cleaning drone is that it's more efficient, it's more nice for the environment, and it's more safe for our employees.
KTV Working Drone is a project we did here in Norway. It's coming out from a company called KTV Group, where we have 35 years with experience into cleaning and surface treatment. The main reason we wanted to develop KTV Working Drone was that we wanted to create a safer solution for the people in the maintenance industry. So we wanted to take away the people in unsafe situations, like the climbers, the people from BMU or in lift system. We also wanted to create a more sustainable way of working, and as a bonus, it works faster. The development started here in Norway 2015. We used 5 years to make it work. In 2022, we had finished the testing here in Norway, and we started bringing it out to other countries.
My name is Katrina, and I work at KTV Working Drone Germany, and I'm a drone pilot. The most important part of my job is to make sure that the operation is safe. We have to do a risk analysis where we check out all risks for the flight operation, and we use barriers to make sure that no people enter the area that we work on. And especially with tall buildings, we have the safety from the roof, which eliminates the drone from falling down to the ground if an incident happens. Here at the Technical Museum, we have challenged the potential of the drone. We also cleaned the Concorde for the first time with the Matrice 400, which also allowed us to use hard cleaning.
The M400 gave us several new opportunities. So today we have a sensor integrated with a special software, so we actually make the drone fly autonomously. So with having the highest speed and the highest quality. This is a huge change from where we were 2 years ago.
The M400 has allowed us to achieve a significantly improved efficiency, safety, and practicality for our users. The M400's enhanced safety features, such as additional radar and LiDAR, allow us to focus on what matters most, adapting the MSDK for our use case. The M400 has a payload that is double the previous generation. With that, we use the same weight and same capabilities, thus allowing us to have a much higher safety margin, allowing us to work higher for longer with a safer margin.
KTV Working Drone is totally changing the maintenance industry. If we look back 5 years, the drone cleaning industry was not something actually started. Now, 5 years later, there are thousands of drones doing cleaning every day. This is a big change from 5 years ago, but still we see that this is only the beginning of the future of drone cleaning.